here is how you can clear all cache in Android at once. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get us started. So of course, we have the settings where you can go to the main page and find device care right in here. And we have some options like the optimize now, right, which is going to clear some background activity. And you can as well go to the memory and kind of like clear the cache with a click of a button, right? So as you can see, if you have some sort of memory in there, you can clean it now. And that is like a one button solution, which is built in. You can always go there and clean all of that with a little click and it should work. But as you can see, it's still not getting me any great results. So there are some apps on the App Store, on the Play Store, which you can get, especially this one, which is called SD Made. This is what it looks like, and you can install it for free. And this app actually allows you to also clear cache, but also gives you some more options with it. So you can get inside, kind of go through the setup process and just go through everything as such, right? You give it access to your storage, but that's really important. And then you can just keep on going, I guess, right? So now you can actually use all of these features in here, like the system cleaner or finder of unneeded files or app checkup, deduplicator, app controller, and so on. But yeah, as I say, you can go to the system cleaner, scan for things which are going on. You can see whatever, click on delete, and you kind of like clear the cache of all of the different apps at once, right? You can also go to the app cleaner, scan it like this, and if there is anything worth expended, right, no expendable items found, you'll be able to delete it. So that's how it works. You can essentially go through all of the apps and such, and you can delete the duplicates. Yeah, and that's like a nice way to clean your device. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.